This is code.org. Let's see what we have. Free play. Make a scene. Now it's your turn to create whatever you want. Add sprites. Give them costumes and locations. So we already have the background. We just need to... Oh, I'm going to drag one here. Sprite 2. Okay. Costume. Ooh, I want that fishy. Do they have the turtle? Yeah, I love the turtle. All right, I'm going to move mine around. So I click on this pen thing. We'll put you there. And the fish will be a bit... Hi, fish. Set the size and bring to life. Okay, so I'm going to go into sprites and notice set right here. Just make sure, like we always need to, that once I always make my sprites at the top because code actually runs in order. So when I hit run, it says, okay, what's attached here? Oh, okay, so first it sets the background and it's so fast we don't even see it. Next, it's going to slap this sprite there. And they're showing us now, but technically it wouldn't actually occur when we hit run until it gets to this block. Next, it's going to do make new turtle. Sets that block. So this is when we can change the size. We need to make sure the computer knows that they exist, that this block is under making it, so it knows how to set the size. If I put it up here, it's not going to see this yet, right? So right now, it says, okay, hit run, set the background, change the size. Wait, what? Change the size of this fish? This fish doesn't exist. Next line, oh, the fish. Okay, make that fish. It doesn't go back. It never realizes we meant that thing. Sure, all of an itty bitty fish. And that's why I always do the make at the top. It's a good place to get in the habit of setting variables or making sprites up there. Huge turtle. Yeah. All right, behaviors. Boop. And boop. Do fishy. And turtley. And I'm going to make a jittery fish, and my sprite, or my turtle, is going to move. Oh, that's kind of lame. I'm going to add another behavior to the fish, and I can just throw it down here, because it's all below the make still. Okay, we'll let her... 2 things. Yeah, that's a bit better. Cool. Onward.